Okay, today we are opening a very special surprise. The Bioshock Ultimate Songbird Edition. Okay, we start with the edge. Forgive me, I'm only using one hand. Yeah. Cut. Get in there. Okay. Oh, it goes this way, I see. And down. Oh, across. There we go. Okay. Alright, I'm excited. Oh! That jumped at me. So the receipts for the online orders are weird. Really long. Anyways. Oh, city in the sky. Okay. Let's pull this baby out. Oh my god. Okay, let me flip this around. It's the Songbird on a rock. Okay, let's see, how do I open this? More tape. Ugh. Ooh, I almost cut myself. That's not good. There we go. Oh. Let's get a good look at that. Okay. I'm gonna put the camera down for just a second. Okay, so there's that I already showed you. This is the bird. Focus. Okay, yeah. Then in here we have the Bioshock game. Whee, she's a real girl. Okay. For real Bioshock fans, you know what I'm talking about. Okay. Download your own soundtrack. That makes no sense because I haven't made any music. Oh, never mind. Let's see. Let me make sure. Oh, there's codes on this. I won't show you guys this. Avatar items. Cool. I don't know why it took me so long to read it. The upgrade pack. Woo! With 3 exclusive gear power-ups. What's this? It looks like a letter. And I really don't want to tear that seal. Hold on. Okay, it's this thing that did not need to be packaged in this, but oh well, I'll seal it back up. And this book of Columbia Customs and Excise? Somebody has to tell me what that means later. Okay. Yeah, a bunch of artwork, blah blah blah. Okay, boring. Murder of Crows. What is this? Looks like matches. I want it open. God, what the hell? I I don't understand. It's not opening. Okay, let's screw that for a second, and let's look at the handyman. I don't know what this is. Okay, it's open. That's a good sign. It's a little tiny handyman. Look at that. Okay, now I need to get this shit open. Okay, I already lost value on this, but because I bent it a little bit. What is this? Oh no, it came out of the case. Get back in. Back in, I say. Yeah. Okay, well anyways, it's this thing that looks kind of cool. It's like a keychain or something. But yeah, that's everything. But this is my favorite thing. I'm gonna leave it in the box for a while. But yeah, alright, tell me what you guys think.